All right, we're on problem number 4 now. It says find the x and y intercepts and graph the function. I'm sorry, it really should say graph the relationship at this point, but it is a function. So what the function is, it's y is a function of x, by the way. But anyway, let's go through number 4 at the on the piece of graph paper. Let me write this down for you. Number 4 is 3x minus 2y. Equals 6. All right, what I'm going to do over here is, again, I'm going to do table of values. X and Y. I'm going to say, one thing easy to choose would be if Y were 0, what would you get for X? You get 2. The other easy point, just pick 0 for X, and you can get minus 3 for Y. All right, so I'm going to claim that these points are special. Let me write this down for you. So the x-intercept is going to be a point where it hits the x-axis, and that point is going to be 2, 0. The y-intercept is a point where it hits the y-axis, and what point is that? It's 0, minus 3. All right? I also want to go through that function thing, and I want to say y is the function of x. How do I do that? I solve for y. What do you get? 3x minus 6 equals 2y. Divide both sides by 2, and you would get y is equal to 3/2 of an x minus 3. All right? So y is a function of x. And what is that function? It's 3/2 of an x minus 3. All right? Again, you can go back and play the same game. Pick x's. A good x to pick would be 0. You get minus 3 for y. Another good value for x to pick would be 2, and you'd get 0. All right? Let's graph it out. That's the y-axis. I'll put the x-axis over here. And let's plot those 2 points now. It's 2, 0. That's done. And then 0, minus 3. Again, make some attempt. When I say make some attempt, it can't be perfect to draw a line through those 2 points over there. Lines go on forever, and we're done. What do? We graph the x and y intercepts, and that's what we're asked to do of this particular function. Thank you.